Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. Peggy here and Andy on camera.
Oh yeah.
It's a horrible day. It's snowing. So, Andy's got a lot of work out there. Last leg, we're getting freezing rain tonight. Tracy over at Tomorrow a Day Farm introduced how to make our own DIY Velveeta cheese. How much is it now to buy here in Canada? It's like $6-7 or more maybe. And it's got so many ingredients in it that I can't even pronounce, right? It's truly processed. But you can make it yourself with 4 ingredients. Now, Angie over at Life and More Reloaded, she's already done this to show everybody how it incorporates into her cheese ball. But I'm not sure our 5 kids are going to see those videos. And I want them to have them in our channel video library as well as the grandkids so they can make their own because it's that easy. And it's that delicious. I'm just going to add, rather than the 4 ingredients, I'm going to add a 5th and 6th into play. Just to heat it up a little for Andy. Because I'm going to serve him some vegetables and nachos to go with it in a cheese dip later. So just hold still and let's get this going. And it's so quick. Well, the making of. We still need to let it sit in the fridge overnight. They suggest the longer you let it sit, for up to a week possibly. This is 1 cup of kettle boiled water, 1 packet of clear gelatin. I'm using the Knox brand. Doesn't matter, just clear gelatin. Put that in. Where did I just put the lid? There. And we'll put it on silence for you. Put it on right. There we go. Just want to give it a quick blend. Mix it up. Got that in there. I am adding, now what's your favorite spice? What's your favorite rub? What's your favorite flavor? Throw it in or don't. This is optional. I'm using Andy's smoked jalapenos that we dehydrated and ground into a powder, 1 tablespoon. Ooh.
Oh, I can smell it all the way over here.
I'm also adding, probably, Andy cut these up for me, probably a heavy tablespoon of diced fresh jalapeno. And we have 6 tablespoons of milk powder. I'm going to put that all in and give it a nice dance.
Oh, that's going to be nice.
I know.
I could smell the jalapenos.
We have 1 full pound. Sorry, hon, I got to be fast.
Yep.
We have 1 full pound of hand-shredded cheese, okay? Don't buy the pre-shredded because they do use cornstarch. Some of them use sawdust to keep it from clumping. So we're just going to use the freshly grated. We weighed it. We did it by 16 ounces. I found the weigh scale. And did you know that the ones that we're buying, they're not even a full pound. They're only 14 ounce bricks.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
What a rip.
I know. I thought they looked smaller. Thank goodness we had more than one. I'm going to put this in. And this is going to dance for a little while. We want it all nice and smooth, and we want that cheese melted. I'm just going to take our old pot liquor
Little pot liquor.
And get some of the sides down. That powder's going to make it kind of a putrid color, Andy, but...
That's okay, it's going to be good.
You know what would be good in here? Pimentos, olives.
Ghost pepper.
Olives. If you're using it for thin slices over the
Lick
holidays.
it. Oh, here.
I can't because
I can.
of the jalapeno. Okay, here, you want to lick the spoon?
We're gonna. No, I'm just gonna take a taste.
Yeah.
And tell the people.
Okay.
Oh wow. Good.
Can you taste the smoke?
Oh, you can take the smoke. Smoked. Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick,
very good.
one more. That's it, guys. Now, I don't have a small loaf pan, and I didn't want to use the whole thing because then it's going to be really thin. I wanted to try and make it look as close to the bought one as possible. Not that it matters.
Oh, that's good, Peggy. That's really
Especially
good.
since I'm going to be melting it, right? Now, this blender is a godsend, but it's a real, not a nice word to clean the blades off. So I'm just going to quickly do this. I don't want to miss any, but I want to get it in that pan as quickly as possible. So I cut the pan in half by using aluminum foil, and I lined it with saran, well, what's that called? Plastic wrap.
Plastic wrap.
I don't use the saran brand, it's just what we call it here. Some of us, not all.
I don't.
What do you call it?
Plastic wrap.
Plastic?
Yeah.
Wasn't saran the first one to come out with
Yeah,
it?
saran wrap.
Yeah.
Because they didn't know how to spell plastic.
With all those cancer-causing chemicals in it. And, oh shoot, I'm pouring it in and I'm not even watching. I'm going over my little guard line there.
Oh, great, Peggy.
Okay, here we go. This is going to make a nice nacho dip for you later, baby.
Oh, I can taste it. It's beautiful right
and
now.
And I can't have any.
I know.
But you know, this can
I'll
be...
eat it in vain.
Oh, I can't have any only because I'm allergic. But, guys, this could be used for making spiced up the way you want or seasoned the way you want. Like I said, pimentos and olives if you're just going to slice it thinly for on top of crackers or something. Or you can just leave it plain, like you would buy it, and use it for your macaroni and cheese. And oh my man, you're getting imagination going. Like, I won't buy Velveeta cheese. I just won't pay for it, and I can't pronounce any of the ingredients. So overnight, we're going to have to cover this. We don't want air on it.
Right.
So just pat it down. And then bring the sides over. And I'm going to pop this in the fridge till later tonight.
Yep.
They say if you leave it longer, the flavors are better.
They marry better.
Yeah, I'm going to put another piece of cellophane because I missed the corner. So this is it, guys, and I'll bring you back when we take it out of the fridge. Okay, so it's tomorrow. Let's have a look at this cheese, guys. Oh, man, Andy.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, you should smell it.
I can smell it.
Oh, heck. I gotta try a little piece. I can't. I gotta get you to try a little. Let me take it right out. It cuts like Velveeta, which I stopped buying years ago because it's too expensive and cheap, and I don't like the preservatives in it. Like, I just don't. And yet we'll use cheese slices. But it just insults me for Velveeta for some reason. Maybe the price, eh?
Wow.
Oh my, that's a big piece. Hang on. Look at this. Look how creamy. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, give that to me.
This is right for you, honey.
Oh my God.
Nice. So let's turn this.
Take the smoky flavor. Oh wow.
Yeah. And like normally to make the nacho dip, I would use some form of heat, like peppers or something,
That's
right?
Good.
Because we put the smoked jalapeno powder, and that powder also has garlic and onion
Right.
dehydrated garlic, dehydrated onion powder in it too. I think it was 1 to 1 to 1 ratio. I'll have to look it up in our book. But yeah, I don't need to add a lot of the ingredients to make your
Stuff.
what do you call it? Nacho cheese dip.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Holy
I'm gonna
jumper.
save this one brick for a friend who
It's good. Whoa.
we've told her all about
I can feel
it.
just a slight touch of the jalapeno.
Can you?
Yeah.
Now, could you imagine, like, you can use this also for making your macaroni and cheese. I wouldn't recommend
I wouldn't.
using the smoked.
No.
Before we did that.
Yeah.
Before we did that to the cheese, then
Yeah.
I would say, yeah, go ahead. But this would be awesome, even just sliced for a party.
Oh, it'd be great.
The next one I make, I'm definitely going to be, I'm just going to cube it for easy melting.
Wow.
I'm definitely going to be adding pimentos and olives. Could you imagine? Don't you think?
Yeah. How much you making though? Because that's a lot.
Yeah, it's going to last a bit.
Oh, I say. Damn, yeah. It'll last quite a while.
I'm not going to cook you up some cheese sauce for but we can use it for loaded nachos for maybe
Yeah.
tomorrow or something,
Yeah.
right? So I'm going to use what they would, I
Now,
guess it would be an 8-ounce brick.
Yeah. Can
is
you
what I'm
freeze that?
using. I don't know. They say to use it within a week.
Oh.
I've had some people say leave it and let the flavors marry for a week, and I've had others say there's no preservatives, you kind of want to use it within the week. So how often do we use it? Not very.
but that's
So I'm
good.
going to make it a day ahead when I know I need it, and it's going to be something I can enjoy cooking with, because I mean, look how easy this
Yeah, I know.
is. It's just
Wow.
pathetic. Okay, I'm going to heat up our pan here. Should have been doing that while I was talking.
Two things at once? What?
So this isn't even nachos, loaded nachos I can use, because it's got that jalapeno in it.
Yeah.
But you'll have friends come over.
I'll be happy with it.
About a cup and a quarter. A cup and a bit.
Excuse me.
I
COVID.
got it on a little high. I turn it down a wee bit. Throw our cheese in.
Oh yeah.
Cut it so it melts a little quicker.
Now, are your hands clean?
No, hon. I intentionally did not clean them, knowing I was cooking for you. Okay, I'm going to let this all melt, and I'll bring you back as it's melting so you can see. Check out this.
Oh, look at that.
Now it would melt even quicker. Whoops, look at the mess I made. If I had my lid on. So, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put the lid on
She's gonna.
and bring you back in about 5. Alrighty. These things are heavy.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Look at that baby go. Oh yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I'm going to need much, what do you call it?
Don't know.
Milk. Because the
Looks
salsa was thin. So.
Yeah.
And don't forget, this will thicken as it cools. But it
Yeah.
hasn't quite melted fully yet. You can still see little bits of cheese in there. But I think it's the herbs and spices too.
Yeah. Oh, I can smell it. Smells good, man.
Oh,
Wow.
I know.
Oh. Mmm.
Yeah. Okay. I have milk here on the side in case once it's fully melted, if it's a little thick, I can just
Now-
jigger in what I
Yeah.
want.
Now, what I'm thinking about, when you put milk in, that takes the heat out, right?
Not really.
Well, that's what you do when you.
Yeah, some people will say it works, other people will say it makes it worse. And you know.
Water would, but I mean, milk's supposed to take the burn
cook it.
away, so.
Maybe. Maybe.
Just a thought.
We'll see. So as this progresses, I'll bring you back.
Okay, I'm going to try this.
Oh, I bet it tastes so good with the smoke.
Look at that.
I know.
Creamy. Can you ever taste the smoke in the hell? Oh, This is good.
Tastes like Velveeta?
Mm-hmm.
See, we won't be buying it anymore.
No.
Hey Tracy, thank you.
Yeah.
Angie, thank you for doing the copycat.
Yeah.
That's awesome, guys. Kids, don't buy it.
No, you don't need to buy it.
No.
This is good. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And we'll see you in the next video.